Everybody wants to plant in the spring, but the experienced plant keepers know that planting in the fall is actually better. Let's talk about why. All across the nation, many times more plants are sold in the spring than the fall, and that's really not the correct thing. So with trees and shrubs especially, fall is going to be the ideal time to get them planted. While weather conditions may be ideal for plants in the spring, it's not long before spring turns into summer, and that's whenever your newly planted trees and shrubs get stressed. Because summertime is usually really hot and oftentimes really dry, and those newly planted plants have a very limited root system because they haven't been in the ground very long. They have not been able to spread those roots out to be able to capture a wider area for getting water. And so by planting your plants in the fall, so we're talking about October and November, you're actually going to give your plants all fall and all winter and all spring to start establishing a root system. And those roots, even though it's cold outside, are going to continue to grow all winter long. And now your tree or shrub is more prepared for that long, hot, and dry summer, and you're going to have a higher success rate as a gardener.